everyone, welcome back to Cook with Yesmeena. Today I will be sharing with you my version of Mie Goreng, which is an Indonesian stir-fried noodle dish. I was craving this dish today, so with this shelter in place and limiting trips to the store, I needed to use pretty much what I had on hand. Now that's why you will notice that this recipe does stray a little from the traditional style, especially the sauce, nevertheless still fulfilling. With this dish, you'd want to have everything done beforehand, like all the chopping, creating the sauce, because the stir-fry part will happen very quickly. Yes, I am using spaghetti noodles instead of egg noodles or ramen noodles, since this is the closest thing I could find in my pantry. The protein I'm using is shrimp, but you can always substitute it with a protein or two of your choice, or simply keep it all vegetarian. With the egg, I like to create thin strips noodle-like by making an omelette, rolling it up and slicing it. To avoid overcooking the vegetables, I like to stir fry the leek separately, add a teaspoon of the sauce to give it some color and flavor, and then dish it out, set it aside, move on to the cabbage and carrots. These two I like to stir fry together since I want the same consistency for both, and again with this too, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the sauce. For your convenience, I have included all the ingredients used with measurements along with instructions in the description box down below. And while you're there, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you already haven't done so. We are almost there. All that's left now is adding all the ingredients to the noodles. So there are many reasons why I love my vegetables, but in this case I could say that it adds so much vibrant color, flavor and texture to the dish itself. Hey, I don't know about you, but it sure is time for me to enjoy this incredibly satisfying dish while it's piping hot. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Till next time!